Assalamualaikum dear student. I am fine. I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Yeah, this is your computer book on screen. And now this is the index. In chapter number 1, types of computer, we have finished, and chapter number 2, functional unit of computer. Student, this is a chapter number 2. We had finished first chapter, types of computer, and also finished the exercise. Now since we are proceeding on our next chapter, so we have to make a challenging called step by step. The second chapter name is functional units of computer. Computer works with data or information. The basic operation of every computing device to take input, process and display the result. Most of the computers have the ability to store data after processing it. There are 4 functions of computer. Number 1, to accept the data. Number 2, to process the data. Number 3, to store the data. And number 4, to display the data. This is a picture of data process cycle. जब हम सिस्टम में अपना डेटा इनपुट करते हैं एज ए रॉ मटेरियल, तो डेटा ऑटोमेटिकली सीपीयू प्रोसेस में चला जाता है. वही डेटा जो आपने इनपुट किया होता है वो एक मीनिंगफुल इन्फॉर्मेशन बन के आपके सामने आता है, जिसको हम लोग आउटपुट कह सकते हैं. जो डेटा प्रोसेस होता है वो कंप्यूटर की मीडिया में ऑटोमेटिकली स्टोर हो जाता है. इसी को कहते हैं डेटा प्रोसेस साइकिल. Yes, the functional units of computer, what are? To perform basic operation of computer, some devices are required to act as a functional unit. What are? There are 4 functional unit of computer. Number 1, input device. Number 2, central processing unit. Number 3, output devices. Number 4, backing storage device or secondary storage device. Now look the pictures of functional units of computer. This is the CPU. CPU, central process unit. It is a brain of computer. It controls the computer system. And other one is monitor. Monitor is display unit of computer which shows what function done or microprocessor. This is a printer. Printer is a output device which prints what data seen on system as a hard copy. Keyboard is a input device which used to type or input data into the computer. Now, mouse, it is used to click or select program. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is used to store data as a secondary storage device. CD stands for compact disc to store data. These are the function of computer. Hard disk. Hard disk plays important role in computer media where the heavy software and windows are stored. On next page, the devices which are attached to the computer are called peripherals. All input and output devices are included in peripherals as they are all attached to the CPU. The machine that works with the computer are called peripheral equipment. Few peripheral equipment are what are hardware, the physical part of computer which can be touched on स्क्रीन. हार्डवेयर एक ऐसा पार्ट है जिसको हम लोग छू भी सकते हैं और उसको हम लोग देख भी सकते हैं. नंबर 2, सॉफ्टवेयर. इट गिव्स इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड गाइडलाइंस टू द हार्डवेयर टू परफॉर्म सर्टेन जॉब. सॉफ्टवेयर का ये काम होता है कि वो हार्डवेयर को इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं और इसको हम लोग टच नहीं कर सकते. Number 3, input device. The device which we give input to the computer. जो information या जो questions या जो भी हमें चाहिए होता है वो हम पहले input करते हैं input device में. और number 4, output device. The device through which the computer shows the result. जब हमें पूरी information मिल के result उसका पता करना होता है तो वो काम हमारा output device के through होता है. Okay, look the picture. This is the screen, keyboard and CPU, and this is the CD, and this is NIC which come from the computer and scanner. Now on page number 12, main components of CPU. There are 3 main components of CPU, namely, number 1, CU stand for control units. It controls all operation of computer. कंप्यूटर के जितने भी operations हैं, जितने भी work हैं, ये control करता है. Number 2, ALU arithmetic and logic unit. It performs all mathematical operations of कंप्यूटर. जितने भी मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस होते हैं उससे रिलेटेड जो फाइल होती है उसको ALU कंट्रोल करता है. नंबर 3, MU मेमोरी यूनिट. इट स्टोर द करंट डेटा विच इज़ टू बी प्रोसेस्ड. जो डेटा प्रोसेस में आता है उसको मेमोरी यूनिट कंट्रोल करता है, वो मेमोरी यूनिट में चला जाता है. Now student, take a look on this flowchart. When we give data as input, it will temporarily process in memory unit, and after that further operations are processed in ALU and CU after that data is given by computer as a output. The entire CPU is built on a single silicon chip known as a microchip. A microchip is also known as a microprocessor. Now here is the labeling. CD-ROM drive, CD-ROM drive drawer, tower PC, reset button, it is used to open the computer, an empty slot for items such as sound cards and modem, center process unit CPU. This is the main microchip in a computer. Now the chapter is over now. Okay student, read the chapter thoroughly. We will do exercise of chapter number 2 on my next video soon. Allah Hafiz.